Have you ever entered prompts for AI image generation, hoping for something amazing like these, but end up with something like these? The secret to making AI art lies in the prompt itself. Most people use basic prompts, leading to disappointing results. But there's a powerful tool to help you write effective prompts. Today, I'll introduce you to Writetone AI Image Prompt Generator feature, and it can help you make your images look more amazing. Let's start with a simple prompt like a cool dragon. Okay, so this is what we get. This can definitely get better. Now, let's use Writetone. Head over to writetone.com and select Use Cases from the left panel. Now select Arts and Media category, or simply search Image in the search bar. Select AI Image Prompt Generator. Paste your basic prompt, choose your desired style, and click Generate. You'll see a much more detailed prompt appear. Copy the detailed prompt and head back to your AI image generator of choice, Canva, Midjourney, etc. Paste the prompt and generate the image. Look at the dramatic improvement in detail, creativity, and style. Want to further refine your artwork? You can add additional details in the Additional Information section. This is optional, but allows you to personalize the image further. Now you know the secret. Use Writetone and other AI image generators to create stunning visuals. Check out the link to Writetone in the description below and start generating breathtaking AI art today.